G'day guys, Andrew from Street Machine here at Powercruise 71, and we've caught up with Charlie Sant for a bit of a chat. And Charlie, you're probably the youngest car owner here at Powercruise, I'd say, mate. How old are you again?
16 years old.
Amazing, 16 years old and owns this beautiful HK Kingswood behind us. Mate, I understand you've only just finished the thing.
Yeah, finished it up on Sunday, took us for its first drive, went all good, and so we brought it out here. Yeah.
Awesome, mate. And tell me a bit about the build. You're fortunate enough, I guess, that one of the country's sort of leading workshops also doubles as your place.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we've been building it for about 2 years. Bought it the Thursday of Powercruise 2 years ago, and been trying to get it here ever since. It's been a long build, but came out beautiful.
Tell me a bit about the theme for the car, because it's kind of very original flavoured, but some modern tweaks as well.
Yeah, I went a bit old school, but just wanted to put my own touches to it. Just made it my style, what I like.
Mechanically, tell us about the car. It's sort of a fairly traditional street machine sort of driveline.
Yeah, it's got a 350 Chev, turbo 350 gearbox, 9-inch, wheeled brakes. Just a good cruiser.
The colour scheme's obviously very factory, and the colour sort of from a distance looks almost like it could be a standard colour, but it's got a bit of a tweak to it as well.
Yeah, I just wanted to make it like my own sort of thing, different to the original colour. Just make it stand out, yeah.
How long till you can actually drive the thing on your own? When do you get your Ps?
Oh, I'll get me Ps in July. Yeah. Hopefully start driving around to shows then, yeah.